Oh, man.
Is it a roll there?
So we got a plug out, and just to show you, you can hear that? It's right in there. You can just dive in, you can bust it open. You can use your hand. I mean, I like to go in like this and just kind of play around with it. I know it's right in here. Hear that? And just go slow. Oh, it's almost on top of it, so it's probably right here. Let's see if we can see it. Hear that solid tone? It's right there. I feel something, and look at there. Look at that, folks. Friggin' token. Dang, first find of the morning, and it's a token. Folks, look, that was a smooth live dig. First dig of the morning. Now, I didn't set this up, but we're at an old park. I found photos of this going back to 1971. Just got here. First dig. The grand essentials of happiness are something to do, something to love, and something to hope for. Alan and somebody. I can't really read it. I'm gonna have to look that up. Here's a quick shout out to We Love to Fish. That's right, that's the YouTuber's name. And they just sent me a message saying that they binge watched every single episode. And they left a comment on each one of my videos. I appreciate that. It got me all motivated and pumped up. And so a big shout out and thank you to We Love to Fish. Cool name. Come on, what? Oh no, it's gotta be more than a penny. It's gotta be something else. I'm missing something. It's gotta be more than a penny here. So just work it slow. You know that 34 is not the penny. There's something else here. And I'm off a little bit. So there you go. Now we're on top of something else right here. It's got to be that high tone. And there it is, right there. Quarter. Is it? Yeah. Wait, Moses. Butterfingers. Yeah, it's a steak quarter. Quarter and a penny in the hole. Well, that could explain the 34. Quarter's usually at 29, 30, but now you've got a quarter and a penny next to each other. You're going to get a different signal. Again, slowly go through here. Hear that solid sound, so we know it's right there. You could just leave the plug. There it is in my hand. Look at that. As soon as I touched the dirt, it fell off of my hand. Sitting right there. Penny. Okay, I got the plug out. I'm pretty sure there's a penny in here from the sound, so I'm going to work it nice and slow again with that pinpointer. So we know it's right in here. Just move it around easy. It sounds like it's not too far off from here. There it is right there. See how it popped out? Can you see it? So you just work it nice and slow. There's no rush unless you're detecting with Buddy, and then you want to go a little faster because he'll find all the good stuff. There, look at it. He's going to coil block me. 1981. 1981. Golly. That sounds like it's on it right here. So let's just do a little at a time. There it is, little at a time, and there's the penny. I think, right on. It looks like an old one too. Yeah. Yeah. Hang on. I got a penny. Where'd you go? All right, Buddy's got him a plug out.
It dropped.
Did it drop? You knocked it. It was right on the top.
Heard something.
That's nice. You don't have to do a lot of work.
Okay. You said it was a quarter,
Yeah,
didn't you?
29.30, quarter. Yep. Talk about going nice and slow. You got to keep your eyes open. Look at there, right on the top. Big penny. Big, 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 big. This is a little hard soil, so it cracked open as soon as I flipped it out. It's right in here. There it is, right there. Looks like a quarter. Yep. Road. And it looks like a penny. 1982. Now that's bizarre. Can never say I found half of a quarter. That thing is a perfect cut. Strange. Yeah, I wish I could get the other half. So getting a nice 30 here, so I just cut a circle. See, I'll pop that out. Pros and cons of this, I like it. The older you get, the more you're gonna like that shovel. I'll pop out the plug. There's the hole. Now I'm gonna rescan it and find out where my signal is. Still in the hole. Let's go down and take a look. I could dig some more dirt out, but I'm gonna go ahead and use this pinpointer. And it's right in there. So just take a little scoop out. Oh, I know it's here now. There it is. It's right in here. And there it is, folks. A quarter.
96.
All right, buddy's calling me over. What do you got, man?
Well, I was hoping it was a silver dollar, but
Ooh, nice,
but it's
man.
not. It's a 96 token.
Yep, 1996 Mardi Gras. Well, that's cool. I like those, man. Very nice. I bet you thought you had a big
Now you know
silver
what you're
dollar,
gonna get for
huh?
Christmas.
Yeah, he's got a vacant lot. Just found the penny, 1982. So let's see what this curb strip holds for us. I just found that penny on this curb strip. Moved up a few feet, dug down. This was fairly deep. I see it, and I can already tell you it's a wheat penny. Don't know the year yet, but can't see it. Huh. It's in here, whatever it is. Likely that's a coin, but oh, it is. Look. Look at it reveal itself, tied up in that root. Very nice. I think, come on, right there. Oh, it's a dime. Nice. Right next to the sidewalk. Now, when you're doing these sidewalks, let me show you. This does not have any rebar, so you know it's an old sidewalk. That's the first thing you want to do is check. And if you don't have any rebar, man, scan right up on these edges. That's the coins are going to come right off. All right, I went back to get some gloves. There's a lot of trash out here. Plus, Buddy was all over me about get some gloves, get some gloves. So now he's gonna do the curb.
Block you, bro.
He's gonna coil block me. Here we go. We're still at it, working this curb. All right, what do you got?
Some little curb money.
Let me see, man.
1943.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Weirdness in the hole. Got no idea what this thing is. I don't need a detector to spot that surface fine. Look at there. Looky there. Nice. Nice little pocket knife. Just got to keep your eyes open, folks. Go slow. Nice and slow. Look for those surface finds.
Yeah, there before.
Well, I see there's something here sticking out.
Oh, sure. You
I
tell
just-
me to wrap it up and clean it.
I just had a small piece of aluminum. I knew it had to be something else in there. Looks just like a piece of
What is that, a piece of
brass.
rubber? Your detector detects rubber?
Nope, it's a watch,
Ooh, well, it's
baby.
about time.
Oh man,
Is it a Rolex?
it sure is diamond. No, I don't know what it is. It's got the 27th, wrong date. The battery's probably getting. There it is.
What's that? Is it a nail?
It's a penny. It's a wheat penny.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, man. That was really the last dig of the day.
Let me
No,
see.
I'll never get that date. You're gonna spit
I
on
can
it.
see it.
You're gonna spit on it, man. Get the date. Get the date.
Let me spit on it.
Now, that other one was 1925.
It's
That'd
got
be
a
nice
nice
if it was
back
older.
on it. The back looks good.
Yeah. What do you think?
No, it's not.
Not gonna be that old. Let me check this again. All right, we're done. Last dig.
Here we go.
Hey, last dig on a wheat.
Dude.
What do you think it is?
Dude.
No way. Come on. It's
Yeah.
old.
Yeah. This thing's older than me.
You need some water?
No. You can sit. You can film this. Look at that. Zoom in on it.
I can't see that, Jack.
You can't see that with your
No,
camera?
I can't. Maybe when I get home.
I was like, come back to me. Now take a look with your camera.
Got the Rona on it.
1919.
Holy
Yeah.
crap.
That should be.
That's it, folks. A good day's hunt. Enjoyed getting out there with Buddy. Nice weather and finding some really cool items. Hey, if you already haven't, be sure to please take the time to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll be sure and get back with you. And now, enjoy this new segment I'm going to add on to each and every video this year. You don't want to miss this segment, folks. I'm going to bring you stories from the COPTECH Vault. That's right, stories covering my 32 years as a law enforcement officer. Stand by. This is crazy. You can't make this stuff up. This is the story of Pancake Boy. Now, this guy, 21 years of age, decides to put a table and a chair in the middle of a busy intersection and eat some pancakes. That's right. Craziest thing I ever heard. Now, I had to handle the news media into this as a public information officer, and this made national attention, as you can imagine. This guy, with all these vehicles driving around, sits up a table and eats pancakes. Check out the video. It's crazy.
Table, eating, just sitting in the middle of the road, eating in a chair and a folding table.
But Frank ended up getting arrested after he decided to eat his breakfast in the middle of a road in Florida. He admitted to officers that he did it as a prank, but because he prevented cars from driving, he has been charged with placing an obstruction in the roadway and disrupting the flow of traffic. This court date.
Guys, that was a crazy story. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you like this? This is just a new addition to the videos. A lot of stories I've got to tell you. As a young officer, detective, and a public information officer over the years, and I think you'll enjoy it. But just let me know in the comments below. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching and listening to the stories from the COPTECH Vault.